Bula guys, welcome back to the Cavutago Series. From today, we're combining multiple sounds so you can learn Fijian pronunciation properly. In Fijian, a consonant is called a koso and a vowel is called a votu. So every Cavutago pairing is simply a koso combined with a votu. Once you learn these combinations, you can read and pronounce any Fijian word because the sounds never change. Let's start with the Koso Nga. In Fijian, Nga is always pronounced NG like in singer, so listen carefully. Nga, Nge, Ngi, Ngo, Ngu. Again, Nga, Nge, Ngi, Ngo, Ngu. Now here's the benefit of Cavutago. If you duplicate nga, you get nganga, which means hot or spicy in one Fijian context. See how easy that is? The sound never changes. Once you learn the koso plus votu combinations, you can read real Fijian words properly. Here's a fun example. If you combine cha and chi, you get chachi, which comes from the English word charge. Every language borrows words and Fijian does it too. In everyday speech, we say me chachi na battery. In English, it's charge the battery. Once you learn Cavutago, even borrowed words become easy to pronounce. Next koso is ka. Nice and simple, just listen and copy. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Again, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. If you duplicate ku, you get KUKU, which means grandfather in some Vanualevu dialects. Did you know Fiji has more than 300 dialects? Some are so different that people from one province might not understand another. That's why Cavutago teaches Vosavakaviti Raramba, the standard Fijian language, the lingua franca of Fiji. It's the version that helps all Fijians understand each other. And the best part, the sounds never change. So once you master the koso plus votu combinations, you can read and pronounce any Fijian word, even dialect ones. If you got nga, cha, and ka, drop a comment. And next video, we're doing la and ma. Keep going.